Corey, I'm doing the run.
Yeah, I'm doing it too.
Okay.
I did it wrong though.
You did it.
So,
Wait. Hold up. Ooh. Hold up, Grandma, wait a second.
Hold up, let me jump down. Oh my gosh!
Yeah,
Wait, hold on, let me figure out. Yo, chill. Let me figure out what I need to do. I can't remember.
Take me to Toys R Us. I know.
I got something to do. I got something to tell you anyway. Get back, boy! Yoink!
What? Yo!
Come try me. Come try me.
Yeah,
Come try me. Come try me.
Whoa! Yo! What?
Yo!
Baby!
Get stunned, boy! Boy! Hey, sit it out!
Wait! Look!
Yoink! Boy! Come here!
Grab
Yoink! Boy! Get this up, cause you going straight outside! Boy! It's good! It's good!
Hold up.
We could go to Toys R Us, but baby's alright. Alright. With my head stuck in the door? Alright.
Yeah!
Okay, I throw this.
Damn, you want to talk?
Oh, here we go!
Really?
You ain't! Where the lock at?
Come here, Corey.
Are you trying to mace me now?
Come here.
That's what it's come to, Grandma!
Oh! Come here.
I'm my eye!
Hey.
Stop it!
Yeah, I kind of.
Stop! Oh, I done broke a whole window.
It's a
You
wrap.
got any last words?
Got
any last
Hey,
words?
don't do it. Don't do it!
Oh, you!
Don't do
I'm a second chance.
No!
That's all you got.
Yo.
Audio good, video good, game.
Hold on, I gotta do my blotching.
What? You ready? Cause
Yeah.
I'ma just Sup YouTube, what's going on? Corey, get to here. Welcome to Hats. Yeah, A button?
No. I don't. I don't know the. Yeah.
Where are we at right
bathroom?
now?
Maybe it's a studio apartment. Maybe. Okay. I am not sure. I didn't saw him.
Oh my god!
I am not staying here longer. My boy is out. It twitched.
Yeah, back up. Just back it on up.
Okay, but I feel like.
Yeah.
That's gonna close.
Oh my gosh!
Wait, that may not be the end of the game. I'm gonna be so mad.